I gotta go meet my sissy. You see me? Look, I gotta. I'm in the city, guys. No, she left already. Guys, I'm in Pittsburgh. For those that know, I just flew in. I got flown out by my sissy Shelena.
Flew out, period.
Flew out. We're about to go to this place called Pamela's Kitchen, right?
Diner.
We're going to Pamela's Diner. Gotta see how it tastes. Hope they're good. But I'm excited. Let's go explore Pittsburgh, guys. Pamela's, we're gonna wait for our. We're waiting for our food.
Our table.
Waiting for our table, guys. Look at the backdrop. Oh, it's in the city.
Hey y'all. We in my city. Period.
Got some hash browns, Ham's pancakes. Oh my gosh, it's so big, y'all. Like, look at this pancake. It's gonna fall off the plate. So we got the same thing as me, or we got the same thing as each other. And I'll see y'all when I finish, because I'm hungry.
No, for real.
I got plans for you. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Good morning, guys. So the light is kind of bad here. Hold on. But currently, we are headed to the incline. Last night was a night. I was outside. At like so many bars. And it was honestly more fun than Charlotte. And now we're heading to the incline downtown. The incline is like a cart that you get in and you're going up like a mountain and you can see the city view. So I'm really excited for y'all to see this along with me. Pittsburgh has been so great, and honestly, I'll be coming back because I want to see a game. And Shelena has me driving today in Pittsburgh. Like, this is actually crazy. Guys, Shelena says she knows how to crimp walk.
Okay.
Wait, what's it called? Crimp walk?
Crimp walk.
Shelena says she knows how to crimp walk. Do it.
Ooh.
In the city, guys. In the city.
Yeah.
Should I get the vlog?
In the city. Period.
So we're at the Overlook, guys. It's giving a mini New York, and I'm loving it. I think I can live here. What do y'all think? Y'all live here or not? Put in the comments down below. Should I live here? Should I move here? Or stay in Charlotte? Let me know. Guys, if we can't match like that, I don't want it. Look at them. If we can't match like that, we don't want it. Shut up, we don't want it.
Look, I act like I was taking a picture of you.
Yeah.
We don't want it.
We don't want that. If we can't match like that, we don't want it.
Hey.
Never being shy.
Yeah, I'm shy.
They don't know who you are.
I'm Sky.
Who's Sky?
I'm a junior from Pittsburgh. It's our city. Well, my city.
Right, this is your city.
My city, yeah. We're in Mount Washington. We're at the Overlook. We're about to get on the incline. Oh, that's the car I want.
Period.
Just stay like that. Hold on. Do it again.
Oh.
Okay.
To the incline, guys. To the incline we go.
Are we going to the incline?
Are we going to the incline?
We're going to the incline.
Incline, guys. Let's go.
What's your accent?
What's your accent, Sky?
We're going to the incline. We're gonna go on the incline, go to the station square. You know.
Ah!
I have your accent. Oh, those are apartments too.
The light is bad now. But yeah. Incline sounds so cool, yeah.
City
Really
vibes.
full of beans. Guys, when they on the incline, I'm a little nervous because y'all saw that drop. Oh wait, I'm a little nervous, but got my ticket. Got my ticket.
Oh, you ready? You know, incline.
No, I'm not ready. I'm actually very nervous.
My Bob 5.
And the Bob Gang. The Bob Gang. Wait.
Here's guys.
Okay. Period. It's kind of crazy. I'm actually sitting on this. Like, it's all Shana salt.
On the incline. It's fun.
But I think I'm on a roller coaster. A slow one at that.
You can't even feel it. Like it doesn't feel like it's moving. It's okay.
You been on before?
Huh?
You been on before?
Yeah, I've been on here all the time. I've been going on this since I was like a baby.
Say hey, Rain. You excited? So what's up, vlog?
What's up, vlog?
She's like, no.
She's trying to put her hoodie on.
Oh,
Said no
okay.
paparazzi.
No, okay, got you, girl. We're not gonna do that, girl.
I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space.
We're in the city again.
Station Square.
Station Square. Station Square.
Hold on, wait.
In Station Square.
Wait, keep
Oh,
the camera
okay,
like
okay. In Station Square. Yeah.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. Not here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, you had to make it. Vibe killer, me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. I'm feeling vibes online. I'm taking dynamite. I play up and
Station Square Incline event was a success, guys. It's really nice. Now we're heading home, and then we're gonna get like dressed. I'm gonna change clothes, and then we're going to a cookout, and then we're going out. I don't know, y'all. It's just like a on-the-go type thing. But I'll see you guys when we get to what we're doing.
Okay, period. Okay, period. Right. Run!
Hello, guys. We're about to head to the Oktoberfest. Wait. Oktoberfest.
Hey y'all.
You guys see our fits, y'all. It looks so good. We'll show you. Got drip for sale. Got drip for sale.
I don't know the song, but
Oh my
I be singing
God.
along, yeah. I be putting those bars. I be putting them outfits on. I be dripping that Gucci, man. I be Gucci that Prada, man. Period, period. My bob is fire. Period, period. My sister's fire. What? Freestyle.
Keep praying.
Keep watching. Keep waiting. Keep hoping. Keep praying.
Nah.
You're not finished.
Oh, with me yet.
With me yet.
Hey. Keep watching. love this song.
Me too. Oh my gosh. And it hits like when you be going through something. Get y'all some
Oh my
praying
gosh.
friends.
No, for real.
If you don't got praying friends, friends you could worship
What are
with,
you doing?
friends you could pray for. Do you got friends?
No.
Get you some praying friends.
That part.
Get you some praying friends.
Get you a Shelena and Shelena.
Period.
All right, Sky, let's see your drip. What you wearing?
This is my drip.
It's literally an orange top and some cute pants. What shoes are you wearing?
These.
Period. Those are cute. So, y'all, comment below if Sky has drip. The one who will never fail. I trust in God.
Any
Any answer. I trust in God. Do you want revolution? Woo, woo. Woo, woo. We are currently walking downtown. The Ferris wheel is actually not gonna work out anymore because the tickets are sold out. So no Ferris wheel on the bridge this time, but I will give y'all some good clips, some good views, because that's what I'm here for. Good views, good content, good vlog, all the above. Period. Period. Okay.
Oh my goodness. It's a furry. Oh. We can make it if we try. Oh, did you record that?
Yeah.
Downtown Pittsburgh. My city.
Ooh, look, that's the car.
Oktoberfest.
It's packed.
All this stuff is at, like, you know. Oh,
No cap to Z.
okay. This is the cultural district where we be having all those plays. You know how I always go to them plays? That's all here.
Guys, I'm moving here, guys. I'm moving here.
Bye.
I'm moving here next year.
Period.
Nah. Hey, yo. If I pop up came next year, it would be extra crazy.
Wouldn't that be crazy?
Yeah. Guys, we took pictures, but it didn't come out right. So, honestly, I came here for content for you guys. So, you're welcome.
Yeah,
You feeling good tonight, Pittsburgh? Let's rock!
Hey, hey.
You say that's 50 cents. That gets split 3 ways.
Period. There we go. Period. Ooh. Period. Just getting my money. Period. Alright.
Say she had bad. Anytime I knock with that. No rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I talk, when you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Yeah. Loving you,